Hi there, and thanks again for watching. In this video I'm going to show you my latest designer build, which I've called Ocean Breeze. I drew up some proper plans this time and then drew them out using my plotter. I wanted to design something which suited my flying style and also performed well on my local slope, picking some of the best features from all my other models. The glider itself had to be slow flying, stable, lightly built, 2 channels, fairly robust and relatively quick and simple to build. I wasn't really too fussed about how the model actually looked. I built the wing with a flat bottom aerofoil for ease of construction, and the large wing chord and low wing loading give it a nice slow stall speed. Although bigger aircraft will always fly better, this is a more practical size and still has some presence in the air. The fuselage itself is all stick balsa construction, which is a really efficient way of building as there's hardly any wastage of balsa. The wingtips and tail are made using laminated strips of balsa curved around a template. Again, this is a really efficient use of wood and makes for a really strong and light structure. I mounted the elevator above the fuselage and in front of the fin, a bit like you'd find on a DLG style glider. This means that the elevator and rudder can both be made in one moving part without having to split the elevator on each side of the fuselage. I haven't worked out the wing loading yet, but the all-up flying weight came out at about 900 grams. Maiden flight was only in about 2 to 4 mile an hour breeze, so very light conditions, and it wasn't from a normal slope, but I think it'll perform really well in 5 to 10 mile an hour breeze.